In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the thumbnail of a video in your library. Whether you're aiming to make your video more appealing or simply looking to refresh the look, updating the thumbnail is a straightforward process that can make a significant impact. So, let's walk through the steps together. First, start by navigating to your library. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored, so take a moment to find the one you want to edit. Once you've identified the right video from your collection, click on it to bring up the video player. Now that your video is open and ready, you'll want to focus your attention below the video player. Here, you'll find various settings that you can adjust, and our task today is centered around the thumbnail section. Scroll through these options until you spot it. The thumbnail section is specifically designed to help you personalize your video's first impression, which can be essential for attracting viewers. When it comes to selecting a new thumbnail, you have two main paths to choose from, depending on your preference and resources. The first option is to choose a frame directly from the video itself. To do this, play your video and drag through it until you land on a frame that you feel best represents the content or message you want to convey. Once you've found this perfect frame, simply click on Select this frame. This action lets the system know that you've decided on this particular moment to be your new thumbnail. If you prefer something a bit more customized or already have an image in mind, the upload option is your go-to. Simply click on the Upload button, which allows you to browse your device for an image. Whether it's a JPG or a PNG file, both are supported, giving you flexibility in your design options. While GIFs are also an option, it's important to note that animated GIFs aren't supported here, so make sure you select an image that's static. After deciding on your new thumbnail, whether by selecting a frame or uploading a custom image, there's one final crucial step: saving your changes. Locate the Save button or the equivalent, which will confirm your choice and ensure the new thumbnail is applied to your video. This step seals the deal, finalizing the change and updating your video's appearance for all viewers to see. And there you have it. Updating a video thumbnail is that simple, yet it brings a fresh look to your content that can attract more viewers and keep your channel looking professional. Thanks for following along, and I hope these tips help you enhance your video library with ease.